Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. Today we are continue command series. Let me ask you something. Imagine a machine is tripped 2 a.m. night and the operator calls maintenance and say the pump is not starting. Do you want to search through hundreds or PLC routine manually, or do you want to do you want one SCADA button instantly open the exact PLC logic where the problem exists? Right? Yes, it's possible using OpenRS Logic's 5000 command. In today's video, you will learn how to directly open Studio 5000 project, jump to a specific program, open a specific routine, and even navigate directly to the run. This is very powerful features of the for the troubleshooting and maintenance engineer. Let's start today. You will learn what is a Studio 5000 command, why do engineers use it, how to open a Studio 5000 project from SCADA, how to jump directly to a routine, how to jump directly to a specific run, real industrial example. So how what is the Studio 5000 command? The Studio 5000 command is allowed to FactoryTalk Studio 5000 or FactoryTalk View SE client open Studio 5000 designer project automatically. As you know, Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk B Studio both is internally connected, not externally. Both there is two software, but both software internally coding is internally connected. Instead of manually opening PLC project, program routine run. FactoryTalk does everything for the automatically. Real industry example: imagine you have a boiler system. One alarm purpose boiler feed pump fault. Normally, engineer must open Studio 5000, find the project, find the program, find the routine, find the run. Right? So this will take several minutes. Using Studio 5000, the engineer simply click and but using Studio 5000, engineer simply click pump fault logic. Immediately Studio 5000 open the exact run possible for the fault. Step 1, create a button. If you have button, no need to create this, it's button only, no need to drag drop everything. Double click on it. First you have to write example. You want to open pump add-on logic, right? Then click on action, delete it, double click on it. Here you can see what you can see. Studio 5000 open RS Logics 5000 means Studio 5000 only, because before Studio 5000 was before RS Logic 5000. Studio 5000's command and double click on it. Here Studio 5000 project file. So double click on action property, and in the action you can see purpose. Step 3 is, suppose you have a project is if you have project, click here and click on your project. This is self learning 22/11/2022. I was created a add-on instruction, everything I was learned from this logic only. I cannot forget this logic, because I if I was not learned from this logic, so today I cannot create this type of videos, because this logic is very important for me. Let's see program name. Program name will come automatically, no need to write anything. So what you need to do actually, before write a routine name, you should know which routine you want. So first I will see where is and which rung is locating pump add-on instruction. Here you can see agitator add-on analog, all SO solenoid valve, all switch add-on instruction, all type of is ASI valve, all pumps. And in main routine, want to open what? Pump. Where is pump? Need to see pump list. This is pump list. And example, want to open routine number 3. In the pump list, routine 3. Example, this is very critical logic. This is example. If any very critical or fault logic, so you can directly map this logic. Means rung number 2, remember pump list rung number 2. Now no need, so you can pump and rung number 2. So when you will click three dot, one pop-up will open, small pop-up, will take some time, maybe some second. So now you can see a small pop-up is open. Select the routine. So which routine you have to, I want to select pump list. According to your program, you can select according to your program, right? Then which rung was? It was rung number 2. You can write directly 2. Maybe 2, 4, 20, 100, 200, 500, 700, 900, 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000. No matter how much big program. Click on finish, OK, and this need to fix it, right? Because text is big. Oh no, oh my god. So here, and here can write logic start, logic open. So based on that, where you want to place your button, you can place according to your requirement, according to your understanding. So let's see it is working or not. Now let's think, what do you think what will happen? Will Studio 5000 open at rung number 2? Will open rung 20? No. It's directly jump rung number 220, not directly 2. Runtime test. Let's test it. Save the display, create a runtime and click on PLC Logic. So where it is, click on command wizard. So pump add-on logic should be open. So just I click on it and let's see it's opening or not. When you will click, it will take 20 to 25 seconds. Now as you can see, what is open? Now it's open pump list and routine number 2. So you can use this features whenever in your program some more critical operation in the sum routine. So for that you can use this command, so that if in future you want, in future you will get any call or any your company will get call, so you can directly open this logic. This is very easy. Studio 5000 logic designer must be installed. And now, if you want to grow your career from basics to advanced automation, then you can join the membership series. In the membership series, you will learn a complete SCADA project from the scratch, PLC programming, fundamental of advanced concept, IO mapping technique, and add-on instruction, UDT, parameter file, parameter list, global object, alarms management, faceplate development, all those things you will learn. Whether you are learning student, technician, operator, or automation engineer, this series will help you build a strong industrial automation skill step by step. Join the membership series and take your automation career from basic to advanced. Now that's it for today. Now you know how to open Studio 5000 Logic command to open Studio 5000 project, navigate to the specific routine, and even jump directly fault rung, fast troubleshooting. If you found this video helpful, so like the video, share it with your colleagues, subscribe to KS Automation. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.